I have given student kit formula to a child. It not only, you see, she has given 3 formulas in that. Apart from that, we are seeing a lot of change in the child. Child becomes obedient. Child becomes more listening. So that and all is a miraculous change the parents see in the child. The child who is always rebellious, especially because of the corona season, most of the children are addicted to the gadget. And now, because of the gadget addiction, they feel they get the rebellious character when they talk to the parents. If the parent says something, they say no. The Google is attracting them much more than the parents. So all that we are seeing, there is a change is happening. The child is also using the things wisely, not just going into the indulgence of the gadget. That I'm seeing.